Holyoke man was sentenced today in Springfield federal court for making a machine gun. 51-year-old Edward Laborcelleri was sentenced to 2 years and 3 months in prison, followed by 3 years of supervised release after pleading guilty to several charges, including making a firearm back in March. Now, he's been in custody since his arrest in April of 2018 when his wife called police about him storing hazardous materials in their home. Police say they found a handmade machine gun, a partially constructed pipe bomb, and more than a dozen other guns. We have the full list of charges and illegal material found in the home at our website at wwlp.com.